In today's video, we are going to show you how to share an assignment, a video, a link, an activity here in Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account and go to the My Classes and create a new class. Now, here, all we have to do is super simple. We are going to assign an activity for this specific class. So the next thing that you need to do is hover to the left side area again of your dashboard and click the My Content, because this is all your activities, quizzes, videos live. I'm going to choose this quiz and I'm going to assign it. Okay? Now I'm going to choose a specific class right here and click the next button and click the assignment. All right. Now, as you can see, you have multiple options to share an Edpuzzle with your students. Click the share assignment, copy that link if you want, but what we are going to do instead is hover back to the classes, because here we are going to use a class code instead. Okay? Now, click the invite students on the top corner where you see the blue button, and then you can simply copy the class code, which is going to be this characters. Now, copy this into a safe place. Do not share it with anyone else. If you do, what will happen is share it maybe to an email, to a messenger like Instagram, Twitter, to your students. Now your students should be able to see that code. As you can see, this is the code that the teacher has provided earlier. Click the join class and you will be forwarded to the assigned activity that you need to finish. All right. It's basically that's it for today's video on how to share an Edpuzzle with students. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.